Hi kindergarten. We are going to start our math lesson after we sing Yellow is the Sun and warm up with our fingers. Yellow is the sun, this is only one. Why is the sky so blue? Let me show you two. Salty is the sea, one more and it's three. Hear the thunder roar, here's the mighty four. Ducks will swim and dive, my whole hand makes five. Yellow is the sun, six is five and one. Why is the sky so blue? Seven is five and two. Salty is the sea, eight is five and three. Hear the thunder roar, nine is five and four. Ducks will swim and dive, 10 is 5 and 5. Awesome work, kindergarten. Now, before we begin today, you will go ahead and need to get your abacus, tally sticks, and some math tiles out. And before we begin, I want to show you a new number with my hands. 5 and 3 is 8. Can you show me 8? Can you hold up 5 and 3 and show your mom or your dad, or just hold it up in front of your screen and show 8 with your fingers? Now, how do we build 8 with tally sticks? Go ahead and grab your tally sticks. 8 is 5 and 3. So when we think about 5, how do we build 5? We have 4 right here. 5 is special with a middle. We have 5. What number is this? 6 is right. If we add another. 5 and 2 is 7. And 5 and 3 make 8. This is how we build 8 with tally sticks. 5 and 3 make 8. Great work, kindergarten. Now, another way we can build 8 is by grabbing some math tiles. And remember, we can grab 5 of one color. I chose green today. We have 5. Eight is 5 and 3. So then grab 3 of another color. And let's see what 8 looks like when you build it with your math tiles. We have 5 and 3. 5 and 3 make 8. And next, we are going to grab our abacus and practice entering 8 on the abacus. So you're going to put your abacus down. Remember, all your beads should be under your A. If you need to clear it, that means they will all be lined up like that. Now, can you enter on the top wire 5 for me? 5. All 5 blue beads. That's 5. Great. Clear your abacus. Can you enter 6 beads for me on the top wire of your abacus? 6. 5 and 1 make 6. Great work. Let's clear our abacus, kindergarten. If you have 5 and 1, you have 6 entered on your top wire. Let's clear your abacus. What would 7 look like? Let's enter 7 on our top wire. 7 is 5 and 2. 5 and 2. To enter 7, you need 5 and 2. Let's clear our abacus. Now, how would 8 look entered on our abacus? 8 would be 5 and how many? 3 is right. 5 and 3 make 8. Now let's clear our abacus. Can you enter 2 on the top wire? What will 2 look like? That's right. Can you enter 3 on the top wire? Can you enter 1 on the top wire? Just 1. Clear your abacus. And last, can you enter 4 on the top wire? We know 5 is all of the blue, so 4 is 1 less. You'd have 1 blue left here. 4. Nice work, kindergarten. Go ahead and clear your abacus. And I wanted to show you something. When we are talking about 2 things, I want to ask you a question. Which of these 2 strips of paper are longer? One of them is longer. Which one? The top or the bottom? If you said the top piece is longer, you are right. And you have some of these strips in front of you. And you can compare. The word we are actually using right now is we are comparing these 2 pieces of paper to see which one is longer. But now, if you want to go ahead and do that with 2 of your strips that you have at home, I want you to grab a 3rd piece. And when we have 3 or more, which one is the longest now? Is this still the longest one? No, the top one is the longest. The blue one is longer than the green, but the black is the longest out of all 3. Now, I'm going to show you 2 books, and I want to ask you a question. Looking at these 2 books, which book is thicker? Which book is thicker? If you say this yellow book is thicker than the green book, you are right. Now, if I add another book to that, and now I ask you, which book is thickest? Looking at all 3 of those books, which book is the thickest? Would our answer still be the yellow one? No, this book right here is the thickest out of all 3. So when we're comparing different items, we can use words like thicker, longer, oldest, newest, taller, shorter, and we can also use words that help us determine which order something is in. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of paper. If I start at the top, what is the first piece of paper at the top? This one right here. So this is first from the top. What is this? Second, third, fourth, and fifth. So we have first, second, third, fourth, and fifth from the top. So I want you to go ahead and continue to practice with your strips at home, putting them in order. Practice comparing which one is the longest or longer than other pieces, and have fun. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time.